Awning window installation is a crucial service for homeowners looking to enhance their property's aesthetic and functionality. In Lafayette, awning window installation services are in high demand due to their energy-efficient properties and stylish design. Custom Awning Windows Lafayette offers a variety of options to suit any home style, ensuring both beauty and practicality. Many homeowners also choose Awning Windows Lafayette to further elevate curb appeal and airflow. Window replacement services in Lafayette are essential for maintaining the integrity and efficiency of your home. With a focus on energy-efficient windows, these services help reduce energy costs and improve comfort. Lafayette Window Replacement Consultation provides expert advice on the best window solutions for your specific needs, ensuring long-term satisfaction and performance. Modern upgrades, including Awning Windows Lafayette, make replacements even more valuable. Energy-efficient windows are a top priority for homeowners in Lafayette seeking to reduce their carbon footprint and save on energy bills. Lafayette window energy savings are achieved through the installation of double-glazed windows and advanced window insulation services. These solutions not only enhance comfort but also contribute to a more sustainable environment. Many residents complement their upgrades with Awning Windows Lafayette for added ventilation and efficiency. Custom window solutions in Lafayette cater to the unique needs of each homeowner, offering personalized designs and features. Lafayette Window Design Consultation Services provide expert guidance on selecting the perfect window style options to complement your home's architecture. From traditional to modern designs, custom window solutions ensure a perfect fit for every home. This often includes incorporating Awning Windows Lafayette into tailored designs. Window installation Lafayette services are essential for maintaining the functionality and appearance of your windows. Whether it's Awning Window Installation Lafayette or general window maintenance services, these professionals ensure your windows remain in top condition. Lafayette Window Installation Services address issues such as broken glass, damaged frames, and faulty hardware. Homeowners frequently upgrade to Awning Windows Lafayette for improved performance. Home window upgrades in Lafayette are a popular choice for homeowners looking to enhance their property's value and efficiency. Lafayette Residential Window Services offer a range of options, including window frame replacement and window glass replacement. These upgrades not only improve aesthetics but also contribute to better energy efficiency and noise reduction. Many upgrade packages now feature Awning Windows Lafayette as a preferred choice. Double-glazed windows are a popular choice in Lafayette for their superior insulation and noise reduction properties. Lafayette window noise reduction solutions include the installation of double-glazed awning windows, which provide excellent thermal performance and soundproofing. These windows are ideal for homes in busy areas or those seeking a quieter indoor environment. Homeowners often combine these features with Awning Windows Lafayette to maximize benefits. Window frame replacement is a critical service for maintaining the structural integrity of your windows. Lafayette window frame replacement services ensure that your windows are secure and properly sealed, preventing drafts and water infiltration. This service is essential for prolonging the lifespan of your windows and enhancing their performance. Many homeowners use frame upgrades as an opportunity to install Awning Windows Lafayette. Residential window services in Lafayette encompass a wide range of offerings, from installation to maintenance. Lafayette Residential Window Services provide comprehensive solutions for all your window needs, ensuring your home remains comfortable and energy efficient. These services include window fitting services, window measurement services, and window hardware replacement. Many clients also request Awning Windows Lafayette as part of their improvement plans. Window glass replacement is a common service in Lafayette for addressing broken or damaged glass panes. Lafayette window glass replacement services offer quick and efficient solutions to restore the clarity and safety of your windows. This service is essential for maintaining the appearance and functionality of your windows. Homeowners often consider switching to Awning Windows Lafayette during glass replacement. Looking for top-notch awning window installation in Lafayette? Our Lafayette Window Installation Services specialize in energy-efficient awning windows Lafayette, ensuring your home benefits from superior window energy savings. With our custom awning windows Lafayette, you can enhance your home's aesthetic while enjoying the benefits of double-glazed awning windows Lafayette for optimal insulation and noise reduction. We also recommend awning windows Lafayette for added comfort and ventilation. Our Lafayette Window Installation Services offer comprehensive solutions, including window glass replacement and window frame replacement. Whether you need window installation Lafayette or complete window replacement services, our team provides expert window maintenance services to keep your windows in peak condition. Trust our Lafayette residential window services for all your home window upgrades Lafayette needs. Many upgrades include modern awning windows Lafayette for improved airflow. For those seeking window design consultation, our Lafayette Window Design Consultation Services offer personalized window style options. From window measurement Lafayette to window fitting services, we ensure a perfect fit every time. Our window replacement consultation Lafayette helps you choose the best window durability solutions for your home, ensuring long-lasting performance. This includes recommendations for awning windows Lafayette to match your home's style. Enhance your home's comfort with our window insulation services Lafayette. Our window sealing services and window weatherproofing Lafayette solutions provide excellent protection against the elements. Experience the benefits of window noise reduction and improved energy efficiency with our window insulation Lafayette services. These improvements pair perfectly with awning windows Lafayette for enhanced indoor comfort. Our window maintenance Lafayette services include window hardware replacement and window durability Lafayette solutions. Whether you need awning window installation Lafayette or awning window replacement Lafayette, our team is equipped to handle all your residential awning window services Lafayette needs. Choose from a variety of awning window style options Lafayette to match your home's design. The addition of awning windows Lafayette ensures lasting quality. For custom window solutions, our Lafayette window fitting services ensure precise installation. Our window measurement services guarantee accuracy, while our window installation Lafayette experts provide seamless service. With our window replacement consultation, you can explore various window style options and find the perfect match for your home. Many homeowners choose awning windows Lafayette for their versatility. Our Lafayette Window Energy Savings Solutions focus on providing energy-efficient windows that reduce your utility bills. With our window weatherproofing Lafayette services, you can protect your home from harsh weather conditions. Trust our Lafayette Window Hardware Replacement services for reliable and durable window components. Pairing these upgrades with awning windows Lafayette boosts overall efficiency. Whether you need window installation Lafayette or window replacement services, our team is dedicated to providing exceptional residential window services. Our window insulation Lafayette and window sealing services ensure your home remains comfortable year-round. Experience the benefits of our window maintenance services and enjoy peace of mind with our comprehensive window solutions. Many clients complete their projects with awning windows Lafayette for added performance.